Welcome back to another tutorial of Linux administration, and today we are going to discuss about how to use the find command line. This is one of the most useful command line which I realized that while working on the Linux systems to help you to find out the files, and we are going to use the different kind of options that are available for the find command line. So in order to find out that what are the options that are available with the find command line, you can use the find and then the dash help, and it will let you know that what are the arguments or what are the switches that you can use with the Linux system with this find command line. Okay, so at this moment I'm using the Kali Linux, and for example, if I want to give you the first example of the find command line, it would be look like this. Find, after that one we have to write the directory path that where we want to search the file. For example, I want to search the file here in the var folder, and the file name could be last log. So if I try to search the last log, and it will give me the idea that file exists there or not. I can search it from the root directory as well, so / -name, and after that one last log. So it will be trying to find out in every single directory in my root folder whether that file exists or not. So that's why it is taking some time and utilizing my CPU. So it's better to focus, it's better to give him a full path, or at least the one directory, so that it can search out in the hierarchy of that directory. Next, so I can press here Ctrl C because I know that there are no other files, and it is giving me the permission denied error. Next one, if I need to search the file with the case sensitive uppercase, lowercase, so I can use here / maybe in the etc directory I want to search the file name with -i name. So it will be searching both of the files which are having uppercases and lower cases. So one example of this one could be passwd. So when I write this particular file name, and it will search with the it will avoid the case sensitivity and searching that particular file here. At the moment I don't have any file within it, so I'm going into the desktop and I'm going to create a file here with a file1.txt, and the same file with the file1.txt with the uppercase. Okay, so now after this one I'm going to search here this particular file in my home folder, and after that one -name, and the file could be file1 iname. I can use it, and after that one I can write here file1.txt. Let's try to search it. So it will be searching both of the files. If I don't use this iname here, so let's see what will happen. It will give me only the lowercase file name. So that means it can be useful -i when you try to use it with the name. Next one, another example of it. So if I want to search out the file within the home folder, and I want to search it all the files that are available with the starting with the file, and I want to use the wildcard here asterisk. So when I press enter next to it, it will give me the file path, whether that file exists or not. I can try to use here -i as well, and it will try to find out both of the files within it, file1.txt and file1 with the capital letters. Next one, if I want to search out the file here, and files could be anything above than 1 MB or exactly equals to 1 MB, so I can use here var folder, and after that one the file name could be logs asterisk and before asterisk, so any file with any name starting from asterisk and ending at asterisk. So that means anything before the log that is written and anything after the log name. So next one, I can type here -size, and after that one I can write here -1m. So when I press enter, it will search out the file which are having an exactly size of 1 MB. So these files are of 1 MB exactly. and if I want to search out the files which are above than this particular level, like greater than 1 MB, so if I press enter, now there will be 2 files only available which are greater than 1 MB, okay, in terms of size. After that one, if I want to use minus, then it will be a less than 1 MB, so it is able to find out these files. Further, if I want to go for another example, for example, if I want to search out the files which are having the permissions like 644, so it would be when I try to write it, so the permissions 644 means that RW. In the next few other topics I will discuss about it. So RW minus and then R dash dash, which is read dash dash. So read and write, and with the dash, which means that executable. So, and I want to search out these kind of files. So I will discuss this topic later on. When I search the files here, now it is giving me more files that are available in this particular directory, okay, with that specific permissions. And after that one, you can also search out the files with a specific username as well. So last option, and the username could be Raza or something like that. So it will try to search out those files which are created by Raza or by the root or by any other user within it. Now you can see that, so these files have been created by the root user. So this is the overall idea about the find command line. You can try these command lines, and please subscribe my channel, and I will try to make more videos on the Linux tutorials. Thank you.